Hi friends, in this instruction we consider how to install Windows 10 in 5 steps. You can use it if you want to install Windows at new PC or reinstall your operating system. First step, make bootable flash drive. The simplest way to do it, use Microsoft tool, Media Creation tool. Go to Windows 10 official site and click Download. Open it, and here you can choose to upgrade PC if you want to upgrade Windows 7 or 8 to 10, or choose Create Media. Also choose Edition and Architecture. 64-bit if you have more than 3 GB of RAM memory, otherwise 32-bit. And then USB flash drive. And this tool will make your bootable flash drive automatically. If you want to burn other ISO image, for example, you buy the coolest Windows 10 LTSC in our shop, your laptop, link in the description, and get image for that edition. At that case, watch this video how to burn ISO image and make bootable USB flash drive. Second step, backup all important data. Usually Windows is on C drive. When you install new Windows, you need to erase it all. And if you have data there, it will be lost. That is why you should copy all you need from C drive, including desktop and documents folder. Copy it to other drive or device. Data at D drive and other is safety. Third step, boot from flash drive. Restart and call boot menu. Many PCs have it. After power on, press quickly one of F buttons, F12, F2, F9 or other, or enter to BIOS with buttons you see. Then find boot settings with arrows and move USB to first place with F5 and F6 buttons. Press F10 to save and exit. And now Windows setup should start. If you have problems, watch this episode. Fourth step, installation. Click Next, Install. Type of installation, Custom, and here choose Partition. I advise choose partition where you had old Windows. Format it and install new Windows there. Sizes of partitions would help you to choose exactly C drive and not to erase your data at other places. Next, installing Windows. PC reboot, and now you need to finish Windows setup. Sign in Microsoft account or make usual account here. At this page you may disable functions that watching your activity. I advise to leave only Cortana and disable others. That's all. You have Windows 10. Activate it if Windows wants it. But now you see Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. This is not a Pro or Home. It is fast and stable. It doesn't have Microsoft Soft I do not need, and Microsoft Store also. Find it at your laptop. Fifth step, soft installation. At finish, you may install drivers you need and soft you want to use. So write a comment. Was it difficult to install Windows 10? You can do this if you can do something carefully and attentively. I wish you success and stay with us on pcnp channel. We have popular and big Russian channel, and now is the time to develop this channel. Subscribe and share this video. See you on the air.